Hi all, today we will discuss data types in C. Yeah, today topic is basic data types in C. We will learn data types in C. Here the word data types is means type of data. So, data type or type of data. Before knowing about data types or type of data, we should know about what is data here. Here the data can be, let's say here, let's say 1 2 3, this is a data. 4 5 6, this is also a data. 9 7 6 8 1 0 is also a one data. And we can say 123.489, this is also one kind of data. 456.123.456 is also one data. Or the data might be 123 point 124 8 9 9, or this can be a data, or the data can be a character also, A C or Z. Sometimes small letters also a character, A H U, or it can be or sometimes a symbol also a character, symbols like dollar, this is ampersand or colon. These are data, these are data. Here if you see, this is comes under integer data, and this kind of data is here decimal value is there, so these kind of data are float. Here decimal value 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you want more than the 6 digits decimal value, then here you see there are more decimal values are there. This is comes under double data type, and these are comes under character. In C we represent data types with these keywords. For integer, int is the keyword we use. For decimal values of up to 6 digits, if you are using up to 6 digits, here 6 digits these are, if you are using, for that we use the keyword float, float. And for if you want decimal values more than these, more than 6, like up to 10, these is digits up to 10, so then this kind of data is called as double. And some characters also is a data, so character data or symbols comes also under a character. So for character data we represent with the char keyword. Okay, so now I will tell you data types in C. Data types in C, there are three kind of data types. So one is a basic data type, second one derived data type, user defined data type. On this video we will focus on basic data types only. Just now I told about integer, float and character double. These comes under basic data types. The first one is int, second one is a float, third one is double, fourth one is char. And in derived data types, arrays will come. Arrays, enum, pointers. Those we will discuss in chapter 5. Arrays we will discuss on chapter 5, and these will be on later chapters. And in user defined data type, structures comes union. Here in basic data type, void also come. Void means no data. We won't categorize it to any of these above four. So we are not focusing on this. Only we are focusing on basic data types. Basic data types, integer is there, first one, float is there, double, char. If you want to print any of these data, you need a format specifier. To print integer kind of data, we need a format specifier %d, or %I also can be used, but mostly I use %d only. And to print float values, %f will be used, and to print double values, %lf is used. To print characters, %c is used. Let's do that program. Just open Sublime text editor. Just save this file in one new folder. I am creating example 3. This I am going to store as data types.c example, or example3.c, same. Just I want to print value 10 on the screen. So for this you can give comma in this. At this place you should give the value which you want to print. Here I want to print 10, and you should use the format specifier. Here I have mentioned the format specifier, right? %the integer 10 comes under integer value, right? 10 is an integer value, so it comes under this category. %d I should use to print. So here in this %d I have used semicolon giving, it is end of the instruction. I used printf, so I need to give I need to include a header file stdy.h. Just saved. To compile this, open Ubuntu terminal, go to root directory. Cd root means directly we will go to that path. See, we have moved to directory root, then cd mnt has our D drive. My file is, I have stored this file in Let me check. D drive coding folder example3 folder, the file name is example3. cd coding folder 3 example3. I am going to compile. Was compiled successfully. I got a dot out. Let me check what is the instruction. When I launch this program a dot out, the control reaches to the main line number 3. The processor execute line by line. Then after it will go to fifth line. What is the instruction we have given on fifth line? Printf. Here percentage d means what is the value here it will print. Here what is the value? 10. So it will print on the output 10. 10 was printed, right? Of course, in our earlier example we have given like this. You could give like this also. Simply let me try with this example. Let me compile again. This is also printed successfully, but in our earlier first method, this method has one advantage. You will understand the advantage, one benefit on using this kind of format in coming lectures. So to print integer value we use in this way. Similarly, I want to print 200 this time. 200, here you need to give its a format specifier. 200 comes under integer only. For integer percentage d only, so that's fine. Let me compile it again. 200 got printed. Here see this MSI, this should come under next line. So for that we use /n new line. Yes, see, check this size is printing on next line. Similarly, I want to print decimal values. Printf, I will give the format specifier here. Now I am writing the value here. The value is could be 1 2 3. This value we can give. Oh, I have erased it. 1 2 3 dot 1 on I give like this 4 5 45 dot 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in the this value comes under, it's a decimal value, so it comes under either in float or double. Here we are using only 6 digits after this decimal point, so it will goes to float. If you have used more than 6 to 10 more than 6 to 10 digits after decimal value, then it will comes under double. One minute, here percentage it is. So it comes under float. So for float it is percentage f. I should use percentage f here. Yeah, it was printed 245.12345 Similarly, I want to I want to use percentage. No, I want to print 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is up to between 6 to 10 digits, so it falls under this category double. So for double, percentage LF I should use. I'm going to compile it again. Same, but it's not printing properly. Maybe we have problem with compiler. We should print. Similarly, to print characters, I should use here. I want to print a character A. You should characters. The characters must be in this call in this quotation, double quotation only. In between the double quotation, not this is single quotation. In between a single quotation. So A is a character now. You should not write character A like this. This is not character A. To print character, so format specifier is %C. We should give %C /n. Let's compile the code. I'm going to clear it. This is C example 3. So 200 and A is printed. You could write like this way also, to print character A. But this has one advantage I told you. So follow this this method. Now to this, let me remove this one. To this printf, I would like to give some sentence. Value is like that. Some sentence I want to give. Any sentence you can give according to your requirement. Here I am writing value is this sentence I am going to give. I am going to compile it. Let me check what will happen if I hit enter when I launch this process. So the control reaches to here, to the main. The control reaches to here, the main. So this will execute. Then after this will execute at the output. Let's check. I will write the output. At the output, printf, it is going to print. So value. What is the sentence here? Value is there. Value space is there, and then after is there. Then after space is there. Then after %d. %d means it will check on this after comma in the second argument. What is the value here? 200 you have given, so this 200 will be replicated here. 200 /n means enter. It will, the control goes to here. Then after the next instruction will execute return 0 means it will return the process. Let me check. Output should be same. Here see value is 200. Let me check what will happen if I'm going to write only one more word I have added here. Let me check what will happen. If I launch the program, the control reaches to here, the control reaches to the main. So this will, then after it will goes to line number 5. The line number has 5 has printf. So what it is going to print is value is percentage day. In place of percentage day, this value will be replicated in place of percentage d. So 200. After that one space is there, after that one only is there, only will be printed. After that one new line, so it will print the another line, the cursor goes to another line. Then after semicolon is there, it is ended. Then after return 0, exit. Return 0 means return from this function. So the process was closed. Let us check the value output. So you got values 200 only, the same output you got. This time I am going to print two values in a single printf. So on the first argument I want to print 100 and 200. So 100 the first argument, give comma, then after 200. To print this first value 100, we need 1% d. I have given space, and to print this percentage, this 200 value, I need one more percentage d format specifier. Hundred and 200 got printed, fine. If you have not given, if you have given only 1% d, it won't work. Let us check what will happen if I compile it. It is giving too many arguments are there. Here 2 arguments you have given. For this to print these values, you have given only one format specifier. So you need one more format specifier. Now this time I want to print output in this way. Let's say the output should be one value is 100 and is 200, like this it should print. So for that one, how to write, let's try. Printf one value is here in place of 100 I'm giving format specifier. It's comes under integer, so for integer percentage d and slash n. So 100 I'm going to give first argument, second argument is 200. This is fine. It's not for I'm trying to launch this. What will happen? Let's check. Let's analyze the code. When I hit enter, the control reaches to main, so to this position. Then after it will the processor execute this one printf. So let me write the output here. It is going to print one value is percentage d, means it will check the first argument. This is what we have given 100. After that one and is there. Second value is here percentage d is there 200. And this is it's done. A new line, it will go to the new line. Then after it is done, so semicolon is there. Then after it will goes to next instruction, return 0. Let me check the output. You see one value is 100 and second value is 200. Similarly, we will write a one more third value, or I can give another value. Just it's your wish. It's any sentence you could give. Here I am giving another value like that to explain you. So to print 300 here. So to print 300, I have given one more percentage d. Let me check. When I hit enter, when I launch this program, the control reaches to here, to the main. Then after it will execute this line number 5. So line number 5 is values percentage d. Here percentage d. What is the percentage d? The first one. First percentage d is for the first argument, this one 100. So 100, and the second value is this percentage d will be replaced with this value 200. Another value is this percentage is for the third one, so 300. So I'll check the same output you got. Similarly, let's try. I will give here the table. Before that, I will like to explain comment. What is comments means? Here this instruction is there. If I comment in this way, there are two types of comments will be there. Single line comment and multiple lines comment. If you have given like this forward slash, backward slash, and star and backward slash, this means this up from here to here is not part of the code. It is already part of the we wrote, but actually it is not part of the code. It won't consider, the compiler won't consider this one. I will write the table here. For integer, the format specifier is percentage d. For float, the format specifier is percentage f. For format specifier is percentage lf. For character, format specifier is percentage c. This is line number 3 to 8 is not part of line number. This is not part of the code. Line number 3 to 6 is not part of the code. These are commented. Okay, now one more example will go. To print decimal, I would like to print float value 123 dot, no 123 45 dot. This was already told example. This comes under float because decimal value is there. Point after point 4 digits decimal values will be there, so it comes under float. So percentage f we should write. It was printed successfully 45.1234. Some 00 also printed. Now I would like to print one more value for 5679 dot 3456. This value, this is also comes under float. Is float. I'm giving a space percentage f. When I hit enter, the control reaches to here. The control reaches to line to the main. When we launch the program, the processor execute from the main. Then after it will execute line number 11 printf. So the output is first percentage f. This is the value. So percentage f is replaced with this value 4. Then after two spaces are there, two spaces will be printed. Then after percentage f is there, so percentage f is replaced. This is second is percentage f, so second percentage f is this one 4, sorry it's 5 6 7 8 dot 3 4 5 6. Then after slash and it will go to the new line. Then after it's done, these are all done, so semicolon means it is it will go to the next line. So the next line is return 0. It will return, the process will return. See 4 5 1 2 3 4 0 0 and 5 6 7 8 3 4 5 6. This got printed. Similarly, I would like to give some sentence also you can give. The sentence value and I would like to give like this value and let me try what will happen. Again, when I launch the executable file, it will reaches to the main. Then after main, it will execute the printf function. So the printf function output would be, so value space is there, space will printed. Then after percentage f, so this is first percentage f means the first one 4 5 dot 1 2 3 4 would print. Then after and will print. Then after percentage f, this is second percentage f, it belongs to this percentage f, so it's a 3 4 5 6. See, value is 4 5. So value is 4 5 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 8 dot 3 4 5 6. Same output we got. This time I would like to print both integer and float value. Integer, first I would like to print integer 100. Second argument is float 34.5678. So the first argument is integer, so I am giving percentage d. Second one is float, for this percentage f I should give slash n. See, integer and float got printed. Now this time I would like to add some sentence to give a clear interface to the user. So I can give I am printing this here and like this are given. Let's predict the output, what could it be. When I launch this executable file, the control reaches to main, then after it will execute the printf this instruction, so the output would be I am printing so now line number 11 is executing. It's printf, the instruction is printf I am printing these here, and here percentage d is there. This percentage d is belongs to this one 100, so percentage is replaced with 100 and is there. Then after percentage f, this is percentage f is replaced with this value, so it is 34.5678, and then after new line, so the control reaches to the new line, semicolon, it's end of the instruction. Then after line number 13 it will reaches to return 0 will execute, means it is a the program is exit. See, I am printing these here 130, like this it will be there. I would like to give one more example. I am deleting here, there is no use of it here. the first 100 in printing, not 100, 200. I would like to print 200 456.589 for 200 to print. Here I have given percentage d because it is integer, and 456 dot, it's a float, so percentage f. 549 is also an integer, so percentage d I have given. Let me compile the code. When I launch it, the control reaches to here, main. Let me write the output. Then after it will execute the line number 5. I will write the output here. So the first line, line number 5 will execute. I am printing these here. It has instruction I am. Here, sorry, it's not capital H. It's a small. This here, percentage d. So first value is this one, 100. Percentage is replaced with 100 here, and percentage f, this is this one. Percentage f is replaced with this one, and after this one slash n, so the cursor goes to new line. So the cursor is here. Then after it's the end of the semicolon, this instruction is completed. Now it will move to the next instruction. So line number 6 will execute. One more example. This will print. Now the cursor is at this position, right? So it will print from here one more. Values are, first percentage d is this one, so 200. Space is there, comma is there here, so comma will print on the screen. Then after space is there, space will print. Then after percentage f, so percentage f is replaced with this value 456.589. then after space is there, then after and, then after percentage d, this was replaced with this one 549. then after space is there, space will print. Then after new line, so the cursor reaches to here. So this instruction got completed. Then it will execute line number 8. Line number 8 is return 0, means exit of the program. See, the output is same. I am printing these here 100 and 34.567800. Forget about this, nothing is there. Then after new line, slash n is there, so the cursor moves from here to here. Then after next instruction is slash n is there, so it will move from here to here. The cursor has moved from here to here. Next line. Then after printf is there, one more instruction, one more example value. Values are 200. Space is there, space also printed. Comma is there, comma got printed. 456.589 and 549. This will printed. Thanks.